Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter number 12, Transmitting Knowledge. So let's start, students, with this chapter. The early people passed on their valuable experiences and knowledge to those who came after them, and in one form or the others. In the beginning, knowledge was transmitting orally from one generation to another. So earlier, what the people do? The people passes their knowledge on their valuable experiences. They pass their experiences and knowledge to the other. But as soon as time passed, then written symbol also involved there. Earlier, they were passing their knowledge, transmitting their knowledge with orally. But as soon as time passes, the written symbol also involved. So this knowledge could not be communicated to people living in the other part of the world. Those are living in the another part of the world, then knowledge was not passing to them. So lot of knowledge was lost because there was no way to record it. Only oral method was there, so there was no any other way to record it. So the knowledge was lost. So in their attempts to communicate with others and to record their thoughts, early humans begins to draw pictures. What they started? They started to draw the pictures and came across in their daily life. And the painting that painting you can see in this picture, they start drawing the paintings. So the painting found in the ancient caves like Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. So I think you have seen that paintings which we can see now in caves. So Bhimbetka, which is in Madhya Pradesh, caves is there and painting are drawn by early humans. So on caves wall in France and Spain are mostly of animal and hunting scenes. You can see in this picture that you can see the pictures which is showing that animal and hunting scenes. So these paintings tell us a lot about their thoughts, actions and way of life. This type of communication, which type of communication? Which they are using to draw the pictures. This communication is known as pictographic communication. This communication is known as pictographic communication. Now we are reading history of written language. How it started. Written came into being about 500 years ago. So it came before 500 years ago. Written language begins as pictures of everyday items known as glyphs or pictograms. So it started with pictures. Like I told you, early humans start drawing pictures. So it started with pictures and it is known as glyphs and pictographs. These glyphs representing objects and ideas. Originally, people made pictograms by either drawing or pressing shapes onto piece of wet clay. On that time, that people were using wet clay, so they stamp on it, they shape and they press, they draw the pictures like using clay. Over thousands of years, these pictures were simplified. So different signs for words and sounds gave birth to alphabets and letters that we use today. After that, as soon as time passes, then different signs for words and sounds gave birth to alphabet as we are using nowadays for our children. So the earliest known script was devised by the Sumerians in Mesopotamia around 500 BC. Their writing was wedge-shaped and was called cuneiform. So the earliest which script that we are using for alphabet and letters, that script was devised by the Sumerians. That it was devised by the Sumerian people which are living in Mesopotamia and around 500 BC. So their writing was wedge-shaped and was called cuneiform. Wedge-shaped means that it is in triangular shaped. It means which blocks we are using, that blocks was in triangular shape, and cuneiform means this is a shape of nail. Clear? Next, they made tablet of clays on which they inscribed the records which they wanted to preserve. So when they want to protect their record, they want to keep their record, they use tablet of clays. The clay tablets were like the pages of a book. It was like a book pages. So they wrote on wet clay. They wrote on wet clay tablets with a sharp knife or stylus which we use for our screen also. So the clay tablets was later hardened by baking. So it was used by earlier people. So a script is what is script? A script is a system of writing. A script is a system of writing. All Asian civilization developed their own writing system and script. All Asian civilization developed their own writing scripts or system. The Egyptian developed a script based on pictures to communicate the meaning. They use their script to communicate the meaning, and their script is known as hieroglyphic. This script is known as hieroglyphic, and in Hindi we can say that it is Chitralekh, hieroglyphic. The script of China and Japan are also hieroglyphic. Clear? Now this is all from my side, student. Rest of the things we will discuss in another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.